Hi, I'm Dr. Kiran from Isya Aesthetics. I'm a skin and wellness expert and I'm here to help you. So I believe in beauty from the inside out, and how I do that is with very simple tips for your holistic wellness. So you can do all of the treatments you want, but if you're not stable on the inside, then it's not going to show on the outside. So let me give you some basic lowdown on what you can do just sitting at home right now. First things first is diet. So a lot of the things that we eat can actually cause skin and hair problems, as well as internal problems like metabolic issues, weight gain, fat, acne, pigmentation, hair loss. I mean, the list is endless. So what are we gonna do? We're gonna change the way we eat. First things first, drink lots of water, as we all know. In that water, put things like lemon, maybe some herbs. We have such beautiful herbs in India. All of that will help add value to that water and add nutrition to that water while also hydrating you, because we are basically 70 to 80% water, right? Next is avoid foods like dairy or dairy products like whey protein. Dairy is well known to cause skin and hair issues and to trigger hormonal disruption. A third thing to avoid are processed foods, so like refined flours like maida, anything that's in a packet that has letters or words that you can't even understand or ever spell, probably not going to be good for you. So you want to keep it really simple. 80% of your food should be organic fruits and vegetables, nuts and seeds, and the other 20% can be your cheat food, if you will, but try and keep that as gentle as possible. And remember, things like herbicides and pesticides, they can cause problems in your body for generations to come. So try and keep it organic. That's diet. The next thing is your lifestyle routine. For those of you that have disrupted sleep, you sleep maybe a few hours a day, or you're up until like 5 o'clock in the morning, this is not helping you. It's creating undue stress. Wake up the same time every morning, go to sleep the same time every night, and try and basically calm yourself down so you sleep the whole night. Stay away from your phone for a few hours before you sleep, stay away from screens, and just create a sleep routine so that your body will actually be less full of cortisol and more full of calm. The next thing you can do, and the most important, is how you improve your own routines at home for your skin and hair. 1, stop doing 100 different things for your skin in the morning and the night. You don't need to do a 12 or 14-step skincare regimen. Our skin doesn't need it. It's keep it simple. You want to do gentle, non-foaming cleansers or cleansing oils or even water, a gentle serum, a moisturizer, and if it's in the morning, a sunblock. That's usually all you need. Once a week, a mask or a scrub, that does the job, and that's enough for your skin. Of course, if you have skin problems, then see a dermatologist or a skin expert. For your hair, over shampooing will cause problems. Shampoo no more than once or twice a week and condition your hair before you shampoo. And we're in India, coconut oil is amazing. Try coconut oil massage. Massage your scalp just for 5 to 10 minutes, leave it on through your hair for an hour and wash it off. Do that once a week. As long as you don't have dandruff, that's a great boon to you. So these are my tips for holistic wellness, for beauty from the inside out. So I hope you guys enjoy, and these are all things you can do at home. So stay beautiful, guys.